Hey teachers and educators, ready to upgrade from generic worksheets to personalized learning tools? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create engaging, customized worksheets using easy-to-edit templates. Let's make learning exciting for your students. Start by opening the Templates tab in Studio. Here, you'll find a variety of templates, including options for worksheets. Pick one and make it your own. Everything in the template is editable. For example, I really like the colors and graphics on this worksheet, but this time I want an ocean theme. So, I begin by adding a background from the Background tab. Next, I adjust the square shape to create a nice border for the worksheet. For the image, I select an ocean-themed animal from the Graphics tab. Customize the text by changing the font style, size, and color. I use a playful font for headings and a more readable one for the body text. To get the colors just right, I use the color picking tool. Finish by adjusting the shapes, graphic, and text to enhance the design. Once you're satisfied with your worksheet, click Share and then Download. Save your design as a PDF for the best print quality. Congratulations! You've just crafted a personalized worksheet that's both educational and engaging. Your students will love their new learning adventure. Happy teaching!